Hello guys, welcome to another piano tutorial lesson. So today I'll be teaching you how to play Goodness of God by Cece Winans in the key of C transpose, because originally the song is in G sharp. So I'll play the song, then I'll give you a full piano tutorial. Okay, let's go guys. I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me, nor my day I be held in your hand. From the moment that I wake up until in my head, and I will sing of the goodness of God. In all my life you have been faithful. In all my life you have been so good. In every prayer that I am able, and I will sing of the goodness of God. In all my life you have been faithful. In all my life you have been so good. With every prayer that I am able, Alright guys, so that's the breakdown of the song guys. I hope you love it. It was awesome. I know. We thank God. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to play the song. It's not difficult. It's not as you think. Okay, so I'm going to start with the verse 1 of the song, because after the chorus it continues with the verse and she comes back to the chorus. So verse 1 will just be good. I will not sing verse 2. All right, so I'm starting with verse 1. All right, so the chord progression is 1, all right, 4 F major, 3 E minor, all right, 6 A minor, all right, then we go back to the 1, then 2, then sus 2. All right, so I'm going to I love you, Lord, C major, okay, 4 and 4, for your mercy never fails. Okay, 3 major, 3 minor, right? I'm playing 3 transpose. All right, this transpose, this E minor, then the transpose, the first inversion. All right, okay, Almighty. All right, even though I added one passing chord there, when you're moving from the third, you can do this passing chord to go to the A minor. All right, now I've been held in your hand, C, 2 and 5. All right, so I'm gonna take it again. I love you, C major, okay, for your mercy, that's F major. I was playing transpose. For your mercy never fails me. Okay, E minor, first inversion. Now that's my passing chord, or my E minor. Okay, now I can do another passing chord like A major, okay, to go to the 2. All right, 2. I be here, that's G minor. I be heading your. All right, now, all right, sus 2, sus C, sus 2, and now 5. right. Okay guys, so that's it for that. From the moment that I wake, okay, now from the moment that I wake up, okay, from the moment that I wake up, C and 2 until in my head. All right, I like to do this thing. So C, do, T, La. All right, I do it slowly. Okay, now we'll sing F measure of your goodness, G measure of God, of God. Come back to C. Now the chorus. The chorus. C, A minor. In all my life you have been faithful. All right, now A minor, G measure 1 1. All right. Okay, so I like to do. So like re mi re do la. You play the 4. No my life, re mi re do la. No my life. You come back to the 6. No my life you have been so good. Okay, now no my life you have been 1 and 5. With every breath, go to 5. With every breath that I am able. Okay, able. You come to the 1. Then you do able. And I will 4. F measure and 5 measure. And 1. C measure. Alright guys, so that's the breakdown of the song. I hope you love it, the tutorial. Do well to subscribe to my channel. God bless you.